Assalamu alaikum and a very good morning to you all students. Yes, we have seen the chapter Glimpses of the Past, that is chapter number 3 from our main test book Honeydew, and we have seen that it has been written by S.T. Sawant, who was a historical writer. Yes, now he has portrayed this chapter in such a way that making us remember about the past history, how the people, how the leaders have been struggling from the British rulers and how they came out of that, how we got freedom by so many struggles from the British. So the next topic we are move on to this chapter is the sparks, which was being fought between 1855 till 1857. Yes, so you are going to see in this part of the topic is that by 1856, that is after 1 year, 1856, the British were ruling the whole of India. We have seen in the previous videos also, in the first video we have seen that only we can say that a small part of territory has been captured by the British people, but in the previous video we have seen the view of the map of India. We have seen most of the territory was captured by the British people. Now what they are doing by 1856, they have captured, they have kept the hold on the India, we can say. They started to rule the whole India, we can say. They have maximum captured the territory and they started to rule the whole India, and now they cared little about Indian needs. What happened? First, with the brute rule and the taxes and everything, they started to capture everything. Now they are thinking something about the Indians after the death of so many lives because of starvation. So now the British started to think about the Indian needs. The dissatisfaction in the public began to grow. The dissatisfaction, before we have seen the language which was changed, and we can say the rules and everything was changed, which made the people upset, which made the people thinking about the British people in a negative way. So what happened? Among the people, the rumors has been spreaded over like that. It has been negative to the British. So what they are doing? By giving something, they are taking two things from them like that. So the dissatisfaction in the public began to grow. Thus they are not satisfied with the rules and regulations of the British people. And see, people wanted to get rid of the British. They just want to get free from the British people. And the sparks, can say, the sparks was came. After the sparks, we can say those who are brightening the people, those who are making the people aware of their situation. Some people came who are the sparks of India, we can say. Yes, 1855, 1857, under the new rules, Sangals had become desperate. Sangals are the people, group of people, ethnic people, we can say, who came from Jharkhand, West Bengal, Bihar, Assam, like that. Such people, what happened? They become desperate. They become hopeless of the situation. Desperate means hopeless of the situation because their lands had been captured by the British people. Because of the taxes, they are not able to pay. Their lands has been captured, and in 1855 they rose in rebellion. That means go against someone. Rebellion is to those who are not like, we go against them. Like that they started to go rebellion against the British and killed the Europeans. They killed most of the Europeans, we can say, and the servants are alive. That means the servants are alive now. Yes, the discontent, the dissatisfaction was brewing in East India Company army too. What happened? In the army, in the East India Company, there are so many army. There also that dissatisfaction has been grown because some people are of also Indians also. So here we can say that dissatisfaction has been grown among their people also about the British. Yes. So you can see Sepoy Mangal Pandey attacked the adjutant of his regiment. So here you can see Mangal Pandey, who was we can say that ruler who was ruling before, we can say, India, but after the British rule he was a leader who wanted to make the free India. One step he was taken against the British. So what he done? He attacked the adjutant. Adjutant, we can say that the person who is under the senior power of British people, who will be a ruler. To that next we can say assistant, like that person has been killed by Mangal Pandey and of his regiment. Regiment means the British government. From the British government it has been attacked. Mangal Pandey attacked one of the person, that is the we can say the lower level of the ruler, assistant of the British people has been killed by the Mangal Pandey. Yes, so next we are going to see, and he was executed. Now what happened? Mangal Pandey was also killed by the British people because of his death of the soldier. We can say that the under assistant of the British people. So here what they are doing, British people attacking the person who are going against them, who are attacking them, they are just killing them without just thinking of anything. Yes. So here the English did not care about the Indian customs. The English are not cared about anything of the Indian custom, like following religious, child marriage, these and that, whatever matter they practices and everything, they never care about that, British people. So chapatis were sent from village to village. What happened? Chapatis were sent. This was a secret thing the Indians were doing. What they are doing, which with them was the message that the native emperor would want their services. That means native means their own country person want, we can say emperor, who was ruling the country before, which was captured by British. Now they want the emperor want the services of the people to attack the British. So they used to, in the chapati, inside that they used to keep a message about that they want the services of the people to attack the British. This was the secret mission which they were carrying out through the food items. Yes. So similarly, a lotus flower was circulated among Indian soldiers. Lotus flower was also circulated among the Indian soldiers. The masses also gave all help and support. So what happened? The big people, we can say that in a huge round of people, they started to go against the British by giving their full support to the emperor and those who want to go against the British. So through the textual view we can see, yes, taxes continue to ruin the peasants in Bengal. For example, the Santals who had lost their lands under new land rules became desperate, and in 1855 they rose in rebellion and maintained, and what happened? They massacred Europeans and their supporters alike. So what happened here? The taxes which was being put on the people, put on the Sandals, what happened? They are not able to pay and their lands has been captured by the British, which made the Sandals so much angry, hopeless situation. So on that situation what they have done? They go against to the British and they attack so many Europeans in 1855, and the supporters and the soldiers were also killed. So many soldiers of the Britishers were killed on that massacre. Yes. Discontent was also breeding among the Indian sepoys and the East India Company. Dissatisfaction, we can say, among both the soldiers, the dissatisfaction was grown among them against the British power. Yes, the white soldier gets huge praise, management to the in and servants. So what happened? While we get a quick and slow promotions, we can say. What happened? The soldiers in the British also, they started to go against the British, we can say, because they are getting salary in such a way that they are promotions also very slow, that they are not getting promoted to the next level, which made the British soldiers also, the soldiers who are under the British power, where also the discontent, the dissatisfaction has grown on them also. And what they have done, the Angles asked us to cross the which is against our religion, who is the Topiwala, to abolish our age-old customs. So what happened? Topiwala. So what happened? Who is that person? Who is that British people who are coming to our country and they are just vanishing out, abolishing our customs, this and that? Who is that person? Like that, somebody asked, and who is that? We must try out the Angles. So what happened? Who are doing this? Who are making the Indian customs and everything abolished? We have to kill them, like that they thought. And what they are doing? So Mangal Pandey attacked the adjutant officer of his regiment of the British government and was executed by hanging. To that, what punishment was given to Mangal Pandey? As Mangal Pandey has killed this British officer, so what the punishment is given to Mangal Pandey? He was hanged. He was hanged and given as a punishment to death, we can say. And thousands of sepoys revolted against his, but they were stripped of their uniforms. What happened? They are stripped of their uniforms. Because of that, they have been saved somewhat. Yes. So few Englishmen care to understand Indian customs on the people's minds. This also made much room for rumors. So what happened? Some British people thought that they have to care something about the needs of the Indians by not to do anything to their customs. Like that, some people thought of the British people. For the other Indians thought that this might be like their cunningness to kill us. Like that, they thought what they are doing next. Oh, proud Brahmin and Muslim soldiers, do you know that the grade or the bullet you need to ride are made from by the fat of cows and pigs? So what happened? They are telling to the Brahmin and the Muslim who are not touch some animals, their customs we can see. For that they are saying the way you are doing and everything are made from the animals which you are not touched and which you don't like. Because you know that Brahmins don't eat non-veges, and Muslims we know that the animal which is not, we are not seeing also like that. So, such like what the Britishers are telling to the people of Indians, and what the white man has deceived us to. They have made us shame. They have insulted us like that. The Brahmins and the Muslim thought when the British has been, we can say Britishers has been telling something about their custom, going against to their custom, like that. So that time what happened? So chapatis were sent from village to village to tell the people that their emperor would want their services, a secret call to take to arms and rise in revolt against the Firangi. That means the other country people. We can say what happened. Now chapatis, as I told you, chapatis were being rolled in so many peoples to make them aware of that they want the services of the people to go against the Britishers and to revolt against them, to have a fight against them to get the freedom from the Britishers. Yes, all my village men will be ready. So what happened? Some emperors who are there ruling the country before the British people, all the emperors said that yes, we will be ready to fight against the British. Yes, now what happened? Similarly, lotus flowers were circulated among the Indian sepoys. They death to the foreigners. So what happened? When they have been killing any person of the British people, they are just having the lotus between them. We can say they are sharing the lotus, saying that they have killed the British soldier. Yes. So the masses gave all help and shelter to these patriotic sepoys and peasants. Patriotic to India, to our country, they will die also. Patriotic is a thing in which we feel like patriotic, we can say that who having a love to their country, who will be dying to their country. Such a condition has been spreaded among the people of India to get their freedom. And they revolted against British and they shared the lotus to, we can say, for their winning. To show their winning, they started to share the lotus and they were happy by killing one by one soldiers of the British. Now let's see the next topic, that is revolt. Yes, going against the British. In 1857, it was fought in 1857, the revolt started at Meerut. Meerut is a place in India, and we can say the sepoys who had revolted marched to Delhi. The sepoys who are marching, we can say they have been revolting, they have started the war and they marched, we can say they have been by walking, they just want to fight against the British and they reached to Delhi. And they were shouting slogans in favor of Bahadur Shah Zafar. Bahadur Shah Zafar is a king, we can say, at that time, an emperor who were just, we can say, an Indian emperor, and he is not a British people. So they want the person to become an emperor again as a king to them, ruling the country. So what they are shouting slogans again, we can say, in favor to be as a king. So they are in favor of Bahadur Shah, the Indian. We can say that rebellion spread wider. Many landlords have lost their lands because of this rebellion revolt. The lands which has been kept in the hands of the Britishers, we can say, they have captured their land. And what happened? They helped the revolt. The landlords who has been boycotted, we can say, their lands has been taken away by the Britishers. Those who are in anger with the British people, they also helped in the revolt against the British. So you can see through the textual view that in 1857 there was a violent outbreak in Meerut. In Meerut it was a very, we can say, violent, and the sepoys marched to Delhi. Long live our Emperor Bahadur Shah. Like that, they started to fight against the British people and they started to kill, and they used to say, live long Bahadur Shah. Yes. So the rebellion spread wider. It spreaded very big and big in such a way that it has killed so many British soldiers, because the anger of Indians was so much there. They have been pushed, they have been pressed inside by so many taxes, these and that. That anger fully came out in such a way that the people of, we can say, Britishers has been killed. Yes, many landlords had lost their lands because of the British policies, and they were also on the war. The white man's rule must end. Yes, we shall help you. Like that, the landlords, those who are there, who has been lost their lands, the people who are asking for their help, for that also the landlords said that yes, the British rule has to be end, and definitely we will help you in the fight against the British. So this was happened, the revolt started when all the people of India started to support the people of Indians, and they go against the British in bulk, we can say. In a huge masses they went to fight against the British people. Next topic is, yes, the next topic you are going to see is the fight for freedom in 1857. At last, the fight for the freedom of India has been started in a huge masses, we can see. And many rulers like Hazrat Mahal of Lucknow were beaten. So Hazrat Mahal, who was a lady as a king, she was very bitter. She was not having any sympathy, emotions or anything, but for that also what they have done, the Englishmen had taken away their kingdom also. Hazrat Mahal, when she was a ruler, we can say that time also the kingdom has been taken by the British people. So which made Hazrat Mahal, we can say, with the Hazrat Mahal which was there, we can say that that has been captured by the British people. And the English had taken away their kingdom, which made angry Hazrat Mahal against the Britishers. And popular leaders like Maulvi Abdullah of Faizabad urged the common man to revolt. So what happened here? Maulvi Abdullah of Faizabad urged the common man to revolt. Here what happened? The people of India has been struggling, landlords, peasants, this and that. The common man also started to revolt, which was urged by, we can say, Maulvi Abdullah, Ahmadullah. So here he was just started the revolt against the British in such a way that each and every common man of India should be aware of their Indian problems and they should revolt against the Britishers because they are also angry with the Britishers. Yes, so here we can see next Azimullah Khan told Tantra to make Nana Sahib the leader of that war of independence. So the war of independence has started. So now what happened? The leader has to be selected. So what they are doing here, Azimullah Khan is telling to Tantra to that Nana Sahib. We can see that Azimullah Khan, who was also one of the leaders, is telling to Tantra that Nana Sahib should be the leader in the war of independence, the war which we are going to fight. For that, the leader should be the Nana Sahib. And what they had all over North India, the people fought pitched battles against the British. So what happened? All over North India, North Indian side, the war has been started in such a way, it has been reached very high that they started to fight against the British in a masses. We can say huge masses. Even the common people, landlords, peasants, these and that, everyone who were angry with the British, they had been started the revolt against the British people. Now here last we can see 80-year-old Kunwar Singh. He is the Kunwar Singh, and when he was 80-year-old that time, what happened? He was received a bullet in his wrist. In his wrist, he just received the bullet, and what he is doing for that? He just cut it off. He just taken off that bullet and throw it in the Ganga and saying that this will be the last offering that I have given to you. Because now here we will not die. We will make die the people of British people. We will kill the British and we will make them run away from here by fight against them, by revolt against them. And here see, he just cut it off, throwing it into the Ganga. He said that it was his last offering. It was his last offering that he is giving to the Ganga, and hereafter Indians will not die. We will make die the people of the British, and we will make them run away from our country, and we will be free from the Britishers. Like that he said, and he just fighted against the British people for the freedom of India. And let's see through the textual view against the British. Through the textual view you can see that many former rulers like Begum Hazrat Mahal of Lucknow were bitter. So as he has said, who was very bitter, who was not seeing any sympathy and emotions, for that also the white man has taken away their land, we can say. The kingdom has been taken by the Englishmen. So she was also in the anger of the British people. And popular leaders like Maulvi Abdullah of Faizabad told the people, rise brothers, rise, the anger is running our land. So what happened? The land which has been captured, we have to take it again. So rise, our anger should be more and more against the British, that we have to fight against them and we have to take our lands back from the British. Yes, the people rose everywhere with bravery, and Kanpur, we can say bravery, and Kanpur and Allahabad. In Kanpur and Allahabad, all the, we can say, all the territory, the people of Indians have started to rebel against the British. Yes, Azimullah Khan told Tantra, we should have Peshwa Nana Sahib as a great leader in their war of independence. In the war of independence, their great leader, that is Nana Sahib, should be the leader. Yes, the patriotic, we can say, the patriots pronounced upon the British and fought pitched battles all over North India. North India, we can say that all the people, all the territory people of common people, we can say, of India has been started to revolt against the British people to get their freedom. Yes. 80-year-old Kunwar Singh of Bihar received a bullet in his wrist. You can see in his wrist, the bullet has been fired. And Mother Ganga, this is my last offering to you. My last offering warning to you that hereafter I will not get any hurt from the Britishers. I will going to definitely fight against the British and get freedom from India. So this was all happened in the War of Independence. We can say War of Independence to India for the freedom of India. So see how the British people has been ruling, and first how the Indians has been blindly just taking everything lightly, but after that angers have been grew so much, so high and high in the way that they have been revolted against the British. In such a way they have made the Britishers to run away from our country, and we got the freedom in the year 1947. So you can see how many years of struggle we got the freedom of India. So we should respect that freedom, and we should obey the rules and regulations and everything which was abide by our country, and we should follow it in a right way. Because it is not just getting like we have got the freedom, just like that. We have got the freedom by so many lives death. So many leaders have been died because we can say they wanted the people to be free from the Britishers, and what they just want the people to live their life peacefully. They don't want anything from that. They just want the people of India to live peacefully and to be happy in their life. And that is why they have given their life, we can say, for the Indian people. So we have to respect that, and we have to just obey the rules and regulation which has been abide by the Indian people, we can say the law of India, and we have to just salute the people, those who have died for the country. Yes, I hope you have understood the chapter very well, and I will give you the question and answer in the next video. Thank you and have a nice day.